Right. Back at the bus, fixing some stuff. This is a patch for a mistake that I made a while ago. Kate's doing a good job of fixing my errors. And we're gonna do some other stuff later that I'll talk about. All right. So for my birthday, I decided that I was going to have a bus work party. And so I got a bunch of people to help me sand the bus and get it ready for paint. That's Eric, it's his actual birthday.
You like my new goggles?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're super effective.
Uh-huh. All right, back to work. All right, still in the middle of sanding the bus, getting it ready for paint. Done all the rub rails. Got people up top. You see yourself?
No.
Somewhere up there there's a person. There's a bunch of people up there helping. And then I put some Bondo on a couple of these holes from where the stop sign was. It's all solid. Needs to be sanded down. But and this one needs to be repatched. Same with the fiberglass. Courtney.
Yeah?
Say hi.
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 You're making a video?
Yeah.
Cool. Hello.
Alright. Alright, we finished up. Jason did all between all of these rivets. Right, Jason?
No.
No?
No. Eric did.
There's all the people
Eric
that
did slightly less
didn't
than half
help.
of them.
Yeah.
Go team.
It's gonna probably need to be pressure washed again. And then it's ready for paint. Alright. As a bonus project, Eric and I are ripping up some of the floor until we feel like giving up.
Oh fuck, did you want this?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Alright, so this is about a month later after we did the sanding on the bus. It's been raining just constantly since then. Today and yesterday it hasn't been raining so much. But I've been trying to seal up some leaks that I've been finding in the bus now that it's like completely stripped. And the interior was pretty disgusting for a while. But I've been going over it, sweeping it. I removed a bunch of bolts that were sticking up out of the floor. All the wood's in a pile out the back. All the wood that made up the floor is in a pile out in the back of the bus. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. I need to finish sweeping in here and then start addressing this surface rust. It's really not that bad. None of the rust is very deep, but yeah, that's where I'm at.